fine. How about you?
I am fine.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock now.
What date is it?
It is 18 May 2025.
What season it is when your life? It is rain season where I live.